We call AC cord. AC cord. We have to test it. You better test it cord way. Ahoma way say, "Hey, papa, be an ahoma na say internet TV no power be amma." Until now, I'm coming to test. This is the pin. You need the meter. We call this one meter. Then over the bed, the meter no better ohms. Na fe you test wire no. The nine bakuni. And you test wire no. Nine bakuna ye juma. Mienu bakuna so ye juma. Se me kam mienu no boma enye juma Se mienu ni ye juma na just ahoma na kan bom inside I say but enye juma. Enti ahoma no ya test ahoma na wie. Enti was ye trace say ahoma we ye fa hen. Enti ahoma na lie ni. I think you are watching to what I am doing. You have to trace. The wire is good, so you have to trace where this wire goes. Baby, ahoma we ye ko. Enti ye trace ya ahoma we and I'm say and ebewura we mu. Ewura the goes no more. And I say switch. Yeah, you have to switch it. And the switch no so ni. The wo hu say switch ni. Na just switch no so ye adwuma. The neighbor comes so ni die ni. Yeah. And the switch no. The neighbor comes so ni. The neighbor ku ya first switch no ye adwuma kama. And the account the neighbor comes so let's trace. The neighbor ku ni. The bakuna adwuma no ni nti we so ni. And also and I'm say it pass here and it comes here. And we have some fuse. Yeah, will fuse be wire tia be na ehim. And no eda ha ne ha. Ndi we test wa ha fuse nini. Ndi wire nini. This is the pin. So there is a fuse here. I think you see where I have put in my hand is. Maybe I'm the pin nurse, you know. Ha ne ha. Fuse be na demo ha. Sa ina da e fuse. Ndi onza me de ka ha ye adwuma. But wo de ka ha enye adwuma, that means a fuse na den ate. Nti fuse no ate. So let's check the fuse. Now let's go and check the fuse. Wow, look. This fuse has black. This fuse has black. And you check the fuse and I say. So you have to replace it. This is the fuse. You have to replace it. You can use a wire, small wire, flexible wire to replace it. Now, I'm using flexible wire to replace it. Pause. Now I have replaced it. So I have put it at that place, the same place. But the ashebe baby am yi no. Fuse no breaking. Nti me the fuse no, me the wire shem. And me the ato baby e wo no. A flexible wire I am the share here. Nti afei we are coming to test if this television will work or if there is another problem. Now, look, we are coming to check the this thing again. Now, when you check it, look at the meter. It works. At the time the fuse break, it doesn't work. Abla fuse on it say no na nye adwuma. You see our fuse no me connect here. My connected fuse no say year adwuma numbers be a show also. Nti me be try amaya here. So I have to plug it to the power. I said me this share power no me plug. Nti my plug. So me ba so television no ahwe. Now you hear the noise. The television has spark. Now it can work. Let's go to the face of the television. Now the television is working. Come back. Now the television is working. Now we have done it. It's a minor fault. It's a minor power fault. It's not all the power off means the fuse has break. At times, it's not only the fuse. There's a lot of things. You go one by one and you understand it. ene ne yedi kan hu ye no ye hu se ye fault na enso no ye fuse no ye check wire no ye adwuma ndi ye check fuse na blue na je say ye fuse no ye de foforo hye ye no aso kama. Thank you. Subscribe it me subscribe na me like na da bia ne ye be sua bia no ye de ba beto ama wo ma wo nso watumi ehu na watumi akora wo TV wo fie wo bra obia enji wo sika. Thank you.